Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome to Designs by Bella. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. And welcome everybody. Hi guys. Well, now, it is Monday. Oh, it's a fresh new start. It's a brand new beginning to a glorious new week. Welcome to my channel. You're probably wondering, she likes Monday. I don't like Monday. I love Monday. I love Monday, and on my previous channel, Bella D Designs, I did this thing every Monday, and I'm going to continue it here because it is pretty much the same channel. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise. The trucks and cars are going by because I have the windows open. It is a little bit cooler here in Southwest Florida, and I'm basking in the fact that having the windows open. So if you hear trucks and stuff going by, unfortunately, your girl lives on a main street, so it's quite noisy. Anyways, on Mondays, okay, why do I love a Monday? I love a Monday for three things. Monday is the beginning of the week. You had a bad week last week. You know, you had a bad week. You relaxed throughout the weekend, or you had a really hectic weekend. Things got out of control. You know, you just, all the stuff that we go through on a daily basis. And then you wake up on Monday. You wake up on Monday and it is a brand new, fresh start. So what I like to do on a Monday is I wake up and I start declaring what I want to come into my life, and I take all that negativity, all the negative stuff that might have happened last week, I take it, I bundle it up, and I throw it out the window. Bye-bye negativity. So if you're new here, let's declare what we want to come into our lives and take all that negativity and throw it out the door. Let's jump right into the video. This is my living room. It is a mess. It is a mess. It is a mess. It is a mess. The TV doors are open. Everything is open. Okay. I pre-recorded some clips the other night when I was watching my Real Housewives of Beverly Hills Part 2 reunion. Because yes, that is my guilty pleasure. I have to admit, that's my guilty pleasure in life. I love the Real Housewife franchises, and I just love those ladies. I think it's so much fun to watch. It's a lot of drama, a lot of silliness, but it's fun. So I got really busy and I started decorating. I want to show you what I did so far, but you see over there, you see that little table there? I want to change that up. So I have an idea. I'm going to bring you in closer, and let's redo that table. Okay, so I was gonna do this voiced over style, but I think I'm gonna change my mind. I have this apothecary jar that was a different color, and I spray painted it. Let me move you better. Oh, I wanna use this apothecary jar. Now, it was a different color. It was like a minty green, and I just spray painted it with some Rust-Oleum paint. And I want to use the florals that are originally in the old flower arrangement. But, I don't know, just make it a little prettier, a little nicer, whatever. That was my thinking. And also, I've also had this one for a long time, the same way. So I was thinking, why not? Why not do it, you know, kind of zhuzh it up a bit and make it new. Aren't these beautiful? These are beautiful. These are actually, I brought them from Canada. You could totally leave it like this. I mean, you could totally leave it like that. Why not? I don't want to use these. I don't want to use these in it. But I do want to use my leaves. The leaves are very beautiful. I'm going to show you these. These are from a store in Canada called Dollarama, and they are, I'm telling you, these are top-notch quality. And I really don't want to part with them at all. I've had them for years, and I absolutely love them. I think they're absolutely gorgeous, and I really want to use them. And I think the colors with the gold and what you're gonna see when you see the hutch, you'll understand why I wanted to add a little bit of more gold into my decor. And I just think this is gonna turn out so beautifully. And I will use this apothecary jar for many, many things in the future also. And yeah, that's it really. So this is kind of like a repurposing of what you have. And you know, just, I think it looks beautiful. I think it looks beautiful. Let me clean up that mess. Actually, I'm gonna go around the living room and clean up. Okay, my sweet friends, before I clean up, I wanted to show you the clips of me decorating the night before. And please do not mind my awful outfit. It's horrific. Let me give you a little tip. I had no clue where I was going with this decor. When I first started thinking about decorating the hutch, I thought maybe I'll just do it exactly how I did it last year. But then I remembered that I had put some of the decor in different spots. So I was trying to use what I had gotten out. And I also wanted to use what I had in the shelves, because I really like the white and gold apothecary jars that I have on the top shelf there. And I really wanted to add the Mackenzie Child stuff. Okay, so this is real life decorating, because I was going back and forth trying to figure out exactly what I wanted to do. Now I'm really, really happy with the bottom shelves. So I'm starting to dust everything off, and then I'm gonna add in the fluff, you know, like all the greenery, the picks, and all that kind of thing. Throughout the years, I've collected a ton of picks. I mean, I couldn't even tell you where half of them are from. I've had such an extensive collection of fall decor and Christmas decor. And speaking about Christmas, I know that a lot of people are posting Christmas already, and I'm still doing fall decorate with me, but you'll have to forgive me because the hurricane really put me behind, and I really wanted to decorate fully for the fall and have a beautiful home tour. So let me tell you my thinking here. So what I've done is I use these giant fall picks, and I have them hanging. One goes hanging one way and one goes hanging the other way. All right, let's get this room cleaned up because I am so tired of seeing all this junk all over the place. And I really got to vacuum also. You'd be surprised, y'all. I do use my little fall blankets during the nighttime because I just love them. And speaking of vacuums, I know a lot of people are using the Dyson vacuum, but I have to say I'm in love with my Shark vacuum. Are you guys still burning fall candles? Because I really want to know. I do burn my fall candles, but I also use those oils. I really like those. I want to know. Leave me a comment down below and tell me, do you still burn fall candles or do you use the essential oils? Okay, y'all, here is a real good close-up of the wall unit. I love what I did here. All you need to do is to do this in a high-end look is just mirror the one side to the other side. That's really all you need to do, and that's exactly what I did. And I used what I had, and it was minimal, and I didn't take everything out of the hut. And I absolutely love how the gold in these vases and the little touches of gold here and there just tie the whole room together. I think it turned out fantastic. I also love the coffee table. It is perfect. Got a little bit of glam, got a little bit of rustic, got some modern farmhouse, and my favorite florals. I love them. And the couches, now that they're all clean and they look good and they smell good. And by the way, speaking of smelling good, you gotta come over to my Instagram and check me out on Instagram, because I always give out cleaning hacks over there and really fun things that are really on a budget, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you lots and lots of information. If you're still decorating for fall, I hope you're having fun doing it at least. And there's the arrangement we made together today, and I think it just looks lovely. Here's one more look of the room, and we are done. Okay, y'all, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Well, my beautiful friends, that is the end of the video. Make sure you give it a giant thumbs up, like, comment, share. Make sure you hit that little bell down below and the subscribe button so you can be subscribed to all my new videos. This week will be my fall 2022 home tour. But before we do that, I have 2 more videos that I need to do, and I know I'm really late. I had a hurricane, y'all. I had a hurricane. 12 days, no power, no electricity, no water. Yeah. Speaking of that, I know many of my subbies that came over from the old channel donated to a GoFundMe page that me and a few other people have created here in Southwest Florida. We created this page for 2 families. These 2 families lost everything. Everything. And when I mean everything, I mean everything. So if you can find it in your heart to donate, the link is down below in the description section. It is up to you. Send prayers out. That would also be very, very helpful to the family. And I am declaring that they get back on their feet and everything gets better for this family, these 2 families. So that is all I wanted to say today. And have a wonderful week ahead. And I'll see you very, very soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.